Swing in Seattle, Lindy Hop 1, week number 4. We put together all of our third gear moves, which all go a rock, step, triple step, triple step. They are rock, step, triple step, tuck, turn, open, tuck, trading sides, rock, step, trading, then rock, step, the followers, turn, and there we go. We mix and match all of those pieces so we can do things that look like this. Charleston kick, a kick and a kick, rock and we kick, then you drop it down and you rock and you triple, step, step and triple. You could trade sides, you could come together and triple. Basic, triple, triple, open, tuck, turn, rock, step, triple, triple, rock, step, triple, step, step, triple, and there it is. Mixing and matching all of our elements. Week number 4.